Come on, follow me.
Okie dokie.
Shh, keep it down.
Oh, sorry.
Sneak and creep, we're undercover spies. We sneak and creep, who knows what we will find? Sneak and creep, we're undercover spies in the dark of night on a mission for a tasty bite. Sneak up the hallway, tiptoe, tiptoe, creep up the hallway. Go slow, don't wake Mom or Dad.
Who left all this bubble wrap here?
Quiet.
I listen with my ears, smell with my nose, feel with my fingers and all my toes.
Don't wake Mr. and Mrs. S.
The coast is clear, we sneak and creep. We're undercover spies in the dark of night on a mission for a tasty bite.
Maddie, it's really hard to see with the lights off.
Welcome to my world, Triggs. You're gonna have to use all your senses.
All my senses.
You know, your hearing, your smell, your touch. You should know this. You're a dog.
Oh, yes, of course. I smell something yummy.
Tiptoe, tiptoe,
Feel a tummy rumble coming. Shh, sorry.
watch out where you're stepping.
Will you shush?
Sorry, Maddie. Sorry, Dennis.
It's okay, Triggs. I think we got away with it.
And we've made it to the kitchen. Woof, woof.
Sneak and creep, we're undercover spies in the dark of night on a mission for a tasty bite.
Oh, there they are, Maddie. The crispy buns.
But why are there already two missing?
Dad!
Mr. S.
Sorry, I couldn't sleep. Those crispy buns just smelled too tasty. I had to have one.
But there's two missing.
I swear, Maddie, I only had one.
A likely story.
Look, I think I know how we can fix this. Why don't you both take a bun each? We'll eat them here, brush our teeth again, then get back to bed, and Mum will never know.
That sounds like a plan, Mr. S.
A really tasty plan.
Here we go.
Thanks, Dad.
Mr. S. Delicious.
So tasty.
Oh, these are so good.
Oh boy, Mrs. S's crispy buns are the best.
It was totally worth all the sneaking.
Okay, time for everyone to sneak back to bed. Now, we can't let Mum know we've been up eating buns, remember?
I've got this, Dad. I'm the queen of stealth.
Just, watch out for the rubber ducky, Mr. S.
Our bellies are full, our secrets are safe.
We're sneaking back to bed before it's too late.
We can't wake Mum or we'll get in trouble.
We're sneaking back to bed on the double. Sneak and creep, we're undercover spies in